How to sharpen a dull drill bit to razor sharpness in just a few minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Maker Mike channel. After long use, drill bits naturally lose their edge, and most people don't know what to do next. In this video, I'll show you a simple, practical method to sharpen an old drill bit and bring it back to life in just a few easy steps. First, you take two metal hinges and hold them up to the head of the drill to check the fit. Place the L-shaped steel hinge bar into the angle grinder. Draw a circle around the hinge hole. Using a drill press, you carefully drill holes in the hinges so they line up with the mounting holes on the drill head. Take your time here because alignment matters. Once the holes match, you bolt each hinge firmly into place. Give them a slight tug to make sure nothing moves. This setup is going to support the drill, so it needs to be solid before you move on. Let me know your location in the comments. What state are you in, and what projects are you working on at home? Next, you take the free ends of the hinges and screw them onto a sturdy wooden board. Slowly flip the drill upside down so the head points toward the floor. Make sure everything sits flat and feels stable. Tighten the screws and check it with your hand. If it does not move, you are good. Now swap the regular wheel for a sanding or grinding disc so the drill is ready for sharpening work. Now take a thick piece of wood and mark a clear 120-degree angle on it using a protractor or a simple angle guide. Place a smaller piece of wood along that line so it follows the angle exactly. Hold it in place and drive screws through to lock the two pieces together. This smaller block becomes your guide and helps hold the drill bit at the correct angle every time. Once it is secure, saw off any extra wood so the guide sits clean and flat. Now take the wooden angle guide and place it right next to the grinding wheel. Peel off the backing on the 3M tape and press the guide firmly into position. Hold it in place for a few seconds so the tape bonds well. This guide must not move while you work. Give it a gentle push with your hand to check stability. If it stays solid, you are set. This fixed guide helps keep the drill bit steady and makes the sharpening process safer and more consistent. Now, place the drill bit into the wooden guide at the marked 120-degree angle. The small block supports the bit and keeps it steady. Spray a light coat of WD-40 on the tip to reduce heat. Turn on the grinder and slowly bring the drill bit in. Use light pressure and short passes. Let the wheel do the work and stop once the tip becomes sharp and centered. Once the tip is sharp, switch to a cutting wheel so you can work on the edges. Hold the drill bit steady and lightly grind each cutting edge one at a time. Take short passes and keep both sides even. After that, grab 2 hex bolts and stack them together to form a 120-degree angle. Place the drill bit between them and check the fit. When the edges sit clean and centered in that angle, you know the grind is correct and the bit is ready to use again. Now, the drill bit is sharp again and ready to go back to work. You did not throw it away, and you did not spend money on a new one. You took a little time and fixed it yourself in the garage. If this method helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical DIY fixes you can use at home. Let me know in the comments what tool you want to restore next.